Hambani Estates. That's what we're taking a look at today, guys. First Rock Capital is the developer. Alright, and then alright, so if I'm able to put the Hambani Estates promotional video in, I'm gonna put it right here, somewhere right here. So if you don't see it, I didn't get that permission, or I didn't get the option to put it in, but I'm gonna try nevertheless. And right behind me is the third apartment complex, right over here. So lots of development in this area on Wellington Drive, right close to Kgn, right close to the American Embassy as well. Alright, so the Hambani Estates. So again, it's an exclusive, a gated community consisting of 12 standalone villas, and it's right here on Bamboo Avenue. They'll consist of 4 bedrooms and 5 bedrooms with their own pool at the back, and also 4 to 5 car garages. So it's a very exclusive and luxurious gated villa community, only 12 units. So it's not a whole lot of different villas, it's only 12, so only 12 exclusive owners, and the costs start at 1.8 million US dollars, so it's not cheap either. So you're definitely paying for the amenities and the luxuries that you're getting. The construction just started. The groundbreaking ceremony was just a few days ago. The Prime Minister was also there, giving his speech as well. I didn't get an invitation to the groundbreaking, but you know, you guys can always give me a buzz when stuff like that is happening, you know, once you guys have those contacts, because I know persons that watch have all different type of, you know, contacts and links. So, you know, like a groundbreaking ceremony like this one, I would have loved to be a part of it. So we're not able to see much right now. Alright, so we're not able to see much right now because it's just foundation works, but we'll try to send up the drone to get some aerial shots of the complex, so you guys can see as well. So First Rock is the developer, and all this zinc is where the development will be. Hambani Estates, right here on Bamboo Avenue, Kingston 6. It's right next to the US Embassy as well, so very upscale community. So the US Embassy compound starts right here on the left with the brown wall and the barbed wire on top. So that's the US Embassy. That's their Kingston office. Very secured property. So I think this is probably the employees' entrance. And then we have Bamboo Avenue going up right next to it. I think there's another development beside the Hambani estate. I'm not sure if they're started already, but there is another complex beside them. Alright, so just showing you guys a little bit around the area, so you guys have an idea of where we are. And again, stay tuned. We're gonna get some eagle eye views, some drone shots, just showing, you know, around this area as well, and you know, probably the foundation work for the Hambani estate. Alright, so we're seeing pre-mixed trucks coming in, so I'm assuming they're probably doing some concrete pouring. So that's a pre-mixed truck waiting to go in. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the drone shots. Again, remember to subscribe if you're new. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe to the channel, so if your subscribe button is still red, just click on the subscribe button and join the Raymore Reviews family. Remember to like the video, and remember to comment and share as well. Also trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of June, so your help is needed. And also go over to the Instagram page for the channel, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica, and follow me there. So stay tuned for some drone shots.